Hi, in this video we'll learn how to create a constraint in an existing table. We can see here we have this table trg underscore test table is there. We have this is the table name. Here we can see this is data it's showing. This is a trigger we have in this table, and here we can see the constraint tab. We don't have any constraint here. Constraint means we want to define, we want to make this is mandatory in the database itself, like that. For example, the code should not be null, or it should be unique. So there are already defined uh, constraints are there. For example, the primary key constraint is already there in the in Oracle. The syntax for creating or adding any new constraint in the existing table is alter table. Like for example, if we want to add any field in the in the database table, we use this alter table statement. So for constraint also we will use same statement. So alter table name, add constraint, constraint. See, we are giving pk for primary key, and here we have two fields, cd and name is there. Suppose we want to use this for cd. The cd should be unique, right? So primary, we are giving this we are adding this primary key constraint. Like here we are using primary key, we can have unique constraint. So many constraints are there. So in our example we are using primary key. So alter table name, add constraint pk cd primary key, and then the field name. I select this statement, I'll execute this. So alter table successfully. It means this new constraint has been added in this table. So now we'll check. Here we can see this constraint is added, right? So now if I add new value in this table, see here because this unique, we have given this unique constraint and this 5 is already there in the system. So when I am adding this 5 in this field, I'm not able to do anything. I'm not able to go to next record because it will it is saying the unique constraint violated. Now if I change this value, now I can move to the next record. See here. So this is a way to add new constraint in any existing table. We can we can add, we can drop the constraint also. To drop the constraint from existing table, the syntax is same like dropping new dropping any dropping any field from the database table. So the syntax is alter table name, drop constraint, and then constraint name. So here we have that constraint name is pk underscore cd. Sorry, the table given wrong. Table name is test trij. I select this statement, I'll execute it. Table order successfully. Now I'll see whether we have this constraint or not. So here we can see the constraint has been deleted. Now now you can see here I can add 5 again because the constraint is not there. So this is the syntax for dropping the existing constraint from the database table. Thank you.